It's a very massive exercise being planned, and we already have arranged funding, and we look forward to the post monsoon period when we will actually be able to start work on the ground, and you will see a totally new look Khyndailad. Absolutely, it will have the best of aesthetics, the best of a combination of colors, sounds, and it'll be as it has become now, pedestrian friendly. I have not come across any complaints in that regard, but you would appreciate that everything takes time. Certainly, the business community of that area have benefited from the fact that hawkers are now in their own vending zone, and therefore preventing access to their establishments. So we expect the cooperation of that entire, all the shopkeepers and residents of that area. This is a new point that you have just mentioned to me. I will take this up with the SMB. I have spoken about this to the CEO, SMB. He has said that once we complete Khyndailad relocation completely, this will be taken up. So I'm confident that it will happen within the next couple of months.